When I think about the way doTERRA essential oils have impacted my life, I am not exaggerating when I say that it has saved my life. I found myself after having my son going through a season that I had never had before, and it was just very scary for me, and I needed some tools, but I couldn't be out of it. I couldn't take anything that was going to keep me out of it because I had to be there and present for my young son. So I went online and I found out that sage looks like it's something that can help. So I just went to the local drugstore, bought a bottle of sage and tried it out. Well, I didn't have a huge response. I called my friend. She's like, let me send you a bottle of clary sage from doTERRA. And it was different. It was powerful. It was 1 or 2 breaths and I could feel my shoulders dropping. It was 1 or 2 breaths and I could feel like I was okay. My background is in chemistry, so I got a chance to really take a deep dive into what are the different chemicals that are inside of these essential oils. And I think we hear the word chemical and we start to think, oh, it's synthetic. But what's so amazing is that nature has chemistry, it's biochemistry, and that's where I started with my undergrad. And so to really find it full circle, coming back to these botanical essences and then really being able to look at these aromatic organic molecules that can reorient themselves in such ways that they can really help our bodies to find balance. I laugh because, I spent all these years in chemistry, and really what my education in chemistry has taught me is that I want to try to use whatever is more natural and whatever comes from the plants more than I want to use something that's synthetic. I think people that struggle understand that feeling of not feeling okay in your body. And I think because of my experience as a yoga teacher, I understand that we can be embodied and disembodied, and I understand that sometimes we can really disconnect from our physical body. And what essential oils help us to do is connect our senses to our body. And when we connect our senses to our body, that's a way of turning inward and moving away from all of the external things that are trying to vie for our attention that really keep us out of balance. I have grown. I've grown in my confidence. I've grown in the ability that I have to really see where people are hurting. And I feel like I have the tools to help. And that has been so powerful because I've always wanted to help people. And my journey has many different, paths that I've gone down. But really, as I've come to this place with doTERRA, I feel like I've come home because this incorporates all of the things that I love.